Hi guys, if you want to know how to create a glass vanity table completely for free, then keep on watching.
If you guys have drawers that you can use as legs for your vanity table, that would be great. But since the idea of this video is to make it completely for free, all I had is those two matching stands that you probably have seen in my previous videos. Before I put on glass, I highly recommend using silicone stickers so that the glass won't move around, and I use them between each glass as well. The glass I have here is actually IKEA glass shelves that my family never end up using, and I doubled them up so they won't break on me and cut my legs. A couple of them are different height and width, but that's totally fine with me. You can be creative with what you're using to create space. Maybe metal or plastic small shelves, like those, but I wanted everything to look glossy, so I used makeup plastic storage bins. It also gives me plenty of space to put my makeup palettes and brushes. It is a little tricky to get to the back storage, so I would store something I won't use daily, like extra brushes or sponges. For mirror, you can use small one, but I decided to use a large one and lean it against the wall. That lets me use it not just for makeup, but also for fashion.
So this, guys, the final look. You can use small or bigger mirror. I like to use a bigger one because I can use it for my full body outfits when I put on the dress or something. But you want to lean it against the wall or hanging up on the wall. I can't do that right now because this background is fabric, so it's just gonna fall through it. So let me know, guys, down below if you like these ideas, or if you want to or have you try something different to create your own vanity table. And of course, subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.